Namaskara. Are you tired of working hard for money? Do you want a passive income source that can make you rich even while you sleep? Then this video is for you. In today's video, I will tell you how to earn money on YouTube, what kind of videos to upload, how to get more views, how to get monetized, what niche to choose, and all the necessary precautions you need to take. So without any further ado, let's get started. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. It comes right after Google. And as we know, Google has its own policies and guidelines. If you follow them, you are good to go. YouTube is a fantastic platform to share your skills and make money at the same time. Every day, thousands of people make money by creating videos. And guess what? Anyone can do it. You just need a good idea and a plan to execute it. Now here comes the most important question. How much money can you make on YouTube? The sky is the limit. There are no boundaries. If you have a large following and a lot of views, you can make thousands of dollars every day. Even though YouTube pays less compared to other platforms, the amount of money you can make is limitless. Just imagine getting paid for doing what you love. It's like a dream come true. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can monetize your YouTube channel. One is through ads. When people watch your videos, ADs show up and you get a portion of the revenue. Another way is brand deal. As your channel grows, companies will start reaching out to you to promote their products. You can also sell your own products or services, or even do affiliate marketing. Let's dive into some successful YouTube channels that are making waves in various niches. Mr. Beast, known for his thrilling challenges and giveaways, has taken the world by storm with over 120 million subscribers. Mr. Who's the Boss, a tech reviewer with a focus on smartphones, has amassed over 80 million subscribers. And Emma Chamberlain, a vlogger and fashion icon, has captivated audiences with over 60 million subscribers. These channels demonstrate the power of authenticity, engaging content and consistency in growing a successful YouTube channel. Now, let's reveal a secret to becoming a YouTube sensation. It's simple. Create valuable content that people actually want to watch. But there's a catch. You need to put in the work and be consistent. Building a thriving YouTube channel doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, effort, and a whole lot of patience. But the payoff is worth it. Just imagine the satisfaction of seeing your hard work pay off and your channel grow into a thriving community of engaged viewers. It's a feeling like no other. So are you ready to embark on your own YouTube journey? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Now it's time to take action. Start creating your videos today, and who knows, you might be the next big thing on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy creating. Let's make some magic happen. Peace out.